This simple trick allows you to create custom 3D sections, perfect for generating creative display views of your projects. Here's how to do it. Start by drawing a closed spline on your floor plan. Make sure to connect the end of the spline back to the starting point. Choose the Marquee tool from your toolbar. Hover over the spline, press and hold the spacebar to activate the Magic Wand tool, and click on your drawn spline shape. The spline will now act as your marquee selection. Try this technique to create unique, eye-catching perspectives in Archicad.